We are at the Photokina booth 2018 and the booth of the Goods and Moza, and we have here the new Moza AIR Cross 2. Sorry for the cross in the middle, it's actually only Moza AIR 2. For this new model they have released the new follow focus system that you can control with the knob on the side. Checking the modes on the gimbal, you can enter multiple modes and control the movement of the gimbal, also from the control knob on the side. The actual mechanical focus looks really great, and you don't need a special cable for the camera to control your focus through your fly-by-wire camera lens. They have a plan to actually have another follow focus style ring attached on the lens, so you can control your zoom lens via the same knob. And we all have the same question now. Is this the direct competitor for the Ronin-s?
To compare with Ronin-s, this one has some similar features, but we have something the follow focus is quite similar, and the payload we are carrying 4.2, but I think there is much lower, and the battery life ours is 16 hours, and most importantly, our battery is removable.
In the rest of the interview we run off some other included features. Can you charge also other stuff like your phone out of this battery, like an USB out?
Oh yeah, here we have a USB port, I think, yeah, over here. This gimbal actually have 3 outputs. You can charge the gimbal, and the gimbal can charge your camera or your monitor or lighting, something like that.
Can you tell us the price point for this setup right now?
For the price, the gimbal includes the tripod, and we have a small plate actually to mount some lightings, monitors. This plate, not for the focus, is selling, I think, $599, $600 or 650 euro, around that. And this follow focus is selling optionally. The price is $120 around that.
So for the whole package is around $800 with the follow focus.
Yeah, that's it.
There will be also available some other accessories like the side handle, so you can have a 2-hand grip. If you want to find out more about this product, you can check out the link in the description. That was all for the Goods and Moza booth.